Okay, phone overheating test right here. We have the iPhone, the Pixel, the Samsung, the OnePlus, and the Oppo. Now, if you see, I have them on a bag of ice to keep them cool, and so there's no excuse for these things to overheat. So I started them out with a Geekbench test, and it looks like the cold is getting to the OnePlus. I don't know why, and it severely underperformed on the Geekbench test. It was taking forever. I don't really know what was going on with the OnePlus, but it was having some issues. So I had to kind of refresh it, let it go again. Then I ran it again, and then we put it on our second test, which was a volume shader test. This is an absolute thermal beast. As you can see, the thermal heat is coming off insane on the Samsung and the Oppo, and it looks like that OnePlus is starting to heat up after being fixed from the thermal throttling. Then we have a little time lapse of the actual thermal camera. So the more yellow it is, the hotter it is, and so that means these things are cooking. Let's see how they look in the end, and we go through the test a little bit longer. And it looks like we heat up a ton. And it looks like the ones that stay the coldest in the end are the iPhone and the Pixel. The Samsung, the OnePlus, and the Oppo all got super hot, which is more impressive on the iPhone's part because it has way better performance than the Pixel. So I'm going to give the overall win to the iPhone.